For our assignment called Echoing Rhythms number 1, we're going to click on the button to open the template file in Soundtrap. And let's go ahead and listen to the directions.
Echo each pattern using the snare drum, using either the letter D or the snare drum in the instruments menu as shown in the video.
Now that we've listened to the directions, we can go ahead and delete the track. And we're going to record here. And you can either click the mouse on the snare drum or use the letter D on the keyboard, and that's what I'm going to do. So you'll hear each, let's just listen. You hear that snare drum, right? We have a 2-bar phrase, and you're going to echo after each 2-bar phrase. Okay, so it's a good idea to go ahead and practice this a little bit and make sure that you're comfortable playing with the beat that's recorded there. And then once you've done that a few times, you're going to click this R in the record here track to arm the track, and then bring our playback back to the beginning and click record, and we'll get our counting. Oh, it's not counting in, so I'm going to turn on the metronome so we get that click. And if you make some minor mistakes, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to fix some of them. Oh, that's not right. So I'm going to hit stop, and I'm going to go back, get rid of what I just recorded, and start over again. So this is recorded enabled, and then just, and now it's starting at measure 9. Okay, let me listen and see if that's what I want. Nope, not right. So you can go ahead and do a couple things. If you wanted to, you can, I'm going to actually re-record it, but you could also use the piano roll to edit that. So let's try that one more time and see if I can get it right. Okay, so I think I got it right that time. The other thing you can do is quantize each one of these. So if we take a look in the piano roll, you can see that some of my performances, let's see, zoom out a little bit. So you can see some of these are a little bit off, and you can go ahead and make and edit these by hand if you like. The other thing you do is if the arrow is selected, so each one of these has a function. So this will allow you to move notes, this will allow you to draw notes, this will allow you to change the note velocity, and this will tell you how to erase notes. So if you put it on the arrow key, and then I'm going to use Command A, which is to select all. I'm using a Mac, so it's Command. It might be Shift. I'm not exactly sure what it's going to be on the Chromebooks. Then once everything is selected, I can quantize to the 8th note. And you can see how that just moved everything perfectly in time. And it looks like all my regions were selected. Oh, actually not here, because this is the section where I had to re-record. So let's go in here and select all. The other way you could do that, actually, if you wanted, you could zoom out and just click and drag over the notes, and then go to the edit menu, go quantize, and select your quantized value, which is for eighth note for this example. And then once that's all set and you've completed all of the examples, go to the File menu and select Submit Task. You'll have to save first, so you save and then submit your task.